it's Kristen. Today I have a wear test foundation review for you. Today I will be trying out the Kokie foundation, which is a full coverage foundation. It says it's made in Italy. I got this at my local Rite Aid. There is two different kinds of foundations, one that has a black cap, but this is the new full coverage one. So I don't know if you guys can see that. And I have the color 60W, shade 60W. And they do have a small range of colors. It goes from, I guess, 10W all the way up to 70 I saw. So today I'm going to be trying this out and doing a wear test for you guys throughout the day and let you know how this goes on. So if you like these kind of videos, just keep on watching. So the other item that I did also get is this Kokie liquid lipstick in the color Serenity. And I think this one is really matte and it is a pretty color, so I will test it and show you guys right here what it looks like, and I will be wearing this as well. So it is super pretty. I like this kind of color, and there it is. So let me know what you guys think. Let me turn this up a little bit, my light, because I feel like you guys can't see that. So there it is. You really have to get into this lipstick. It is kind of like a matte, but here we go. Let's try this again. So there it is. It is pretty. So there you go. Kind of like blends into my skin, but it is nice. Okay, so let's get on with the review of this foundation. So it comes with a pump, and what I'm gonna do is use the back of a Bath and Body Works, the lid of a Bath and Body Works candle. So I'm gonna pump some on. Let's see what it looks like. It's coming up. Oh, it is pretty thick. Wow. So there it is. It's not moving at all. So we know that it is probably a full coverage foundation. Next, I'm going to go in. I already primed my face. I use this stuff here. It's the Ordinary stuff. I use this every day. And I use this facial mist by Mario Badescu. And okay, so here is the foundation, and let's get into it. So it is very, very thick. So if you see me look down here, I have my mirror. So wow, yeah, it is pretty thick. We're gonna try this side here with a beauty blender or my e.l.f. blender. We're gonna try one side with this and see if we get fuller coverage. Let me bring you guys down a notch here. It looks quite yellow. So doesn't look like that in person. All right, that is very much full coverage. So let's get the other half of my face. And then I will take a picture and insert it in the video of like a flashback if there's anything. So that is very much full coverage. This color matches my skin really well. Okay, so there it is. Wow, that looks really yellow on the camera, but it does fit very well. Let's see if I can bring it down a notch again. So there it is. It looks good. It fits my color very well. So let's try here. I'm gonna use my Jeffree Star Morphe brush, and this one, this is the JS1, and I still have a little bit left, so we'll try to use that a little amount and see how far it goes. Not very far, so I'm going to do one more pump. We probably only need a half a pump. And let's spread that on. Let's see. I feel like the Beauty Blender side was a little bit smoother looking. Yeah, this isn't bad though. I mean, it looks very nice on the skin, but I do prefer this side. This side looks a little, like you can see my pores. So what I'm gonna do is take my Beauty Blender and just go over it. All right. So yeah, I think it looks pretty good. What I'm gonna do for you guys is use my Shape Tape, and then I have this also, this new, let me see if I can get it out for you guys. Where is it hiding? Give me 1 second, I'll be right back. So I've been trying out this All-Nighter by Urban Decay waterproof setting spray, and this stuff is actually pretty amazing. It's no color, and this is what it looks like, and I think it's pretty great. It keeps my makeup in place all day, and I think it's awesome. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to do the rest of my face, my hair, and everything, and come back and check in throughout the day and let you guys know. I have some running around to do. I have Stitch Fix unboxing that I have to do as well. So I'll let you know how everything works. Okay guys, so here it is in natural light. I think it looks great. It matches my neck perfectly. You can't see really any lines or anything like that. So this looks amazing. Let me know what you guys think. I'm trying to get a really good picture for you to see. So yeah, look, here it is. Looks pretty good. Let me know what you think. I think it looks amazing so far. I'll check in throughout the day and let you guys know how the wear test is. Hey guys, so I'm checking back in natural light. The foundation, let me get this across here, is looking good. It's a few hours later. It's a little bit oily, but not too much. So let me know what you guys think. Going so far, I think it looks good, but I'll check back in again with you guys in a few hours. Hey guys, so I'm in my car. It looks pretty good. Just a little bit oily, but that's about it. Nothing crazy, but it's still looking good in the natural light. I'm pretty impressed. Looking good. Hey guys, what's up? It's Kristen. I'm back. I'm looking at the makeup. It is looking really good. It's probably about 3-4 hours later. I did some running around, did stuff around the house, and only thing is just a little bit oily. I'm trying to show you guys in some natural light. You can see how it's a little bit oily here and here and here, you know, in the T-zone. But otherwise, it looks great. It's not really settling anywhere, so I think it's actually pretty good. I'll check back at the end of the night with you guys. Hey guys, so it's the end of the night. So here it is. It looks pretty good. Just for a little bit of oil. I did blot one time, but it does look really nice. So yeah, I think this is a really good foundation. It really didn't settle into anything or anything like that. But yeah, I think it looks great. What do you guys think? So please let me know if you like these kind of videos. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.